Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the official first video of 2019. Like, it's a new year, new opportunities, new blessings. I mean, that's every day you wake up, but a new year, it's kind of rejuvenate yourself, and get yourself back started. And this year, my goal is to be consistent. That is the number one goal for me this year, is just to be consistent, okay? But yes, it's the first tutorial, the first look we get this year. Alright, and it's real cute or whatever. Yes, of course I had to pop out the glitter. I love glitter. Okay, just know that. Okay, if you don't know, you know now, right? But yes, I love it. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of the tutorials I have done up. Okay, and what else? Oh yeah, just like and share and comment. When you comment and you hit that like button, that helps me know that you like what I'm putting out there. Or, if you don't, I don't know. Either way it goes, still you hit that like button and comment, okay? And yeah, that's basically it. And I will see you in my next look. Okay, so the first color is going to be Mint from the BPerfect Carnival palette. Okay, and I'm just taking that color and I'm going to pat it. And then I'm going to work my way up to blending, as I usually do. And it's always easier to pat your colors first, just so you get the pigmentation from it. And another tip is, when you're using light colors or bright colors, whatever you want to call it, use a light concealer. You don't have to use white, and it also depends on your skin tone, but use a concealer that's light enough that's really going to pick up the color. Okay, next color is teal green. This is the coastal scene where there are single hot pots. Okay, for the crease, I'm going into Mood, which is a navy blue, and it is from the BPerfect Carnival palette as well. And I'm going to mix it in with some black and put it in the crease and blend it. Yeah. Okay. And I'm just taking and really just blending it into the crease. Nothing special, like I said before. I got a feeling I'm going to end up buying another BPerfect palette, this Carnival palette anyway. Because I see a lot of my colors are starting to hit pan. And when I run out, I'll be so sad. So it's like, I probably just need to go ahead and buy another one now. Okay, so I cut my crease with the Colourpop in the shade medium 28 as usual. I know that's what I always cut my crease with. Okay, so to set my eyes, I'm gonna take a turquoise shadow, and it's just, it don't have to be turquoise, it could be blue, whatever color you want to. You can be nude if you want to. This is just the color I decided to set the concealer with, so the glitter will blend in. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, and it doesn't have to be fully coated, like all the way set on your eye. Okay, so for the crease of my eye, I'm taking this pigment. It's called Bling Bling, and it's from BaddieGirl Cosmetics. And I just got this over the weekend, and of course it's spilled today. So yeah, that's all I have left. I'm so upset. I was like, did that really happen? Did that really happen? And you know, sometimes you might have a premonition about something, and that's what happened. Like, I just had a thought in my head saying, like, some way, somehow, the glitter is going to spill. Yep, and that's what happened. Sad. It's just real sad. Okay, so instead of putting glitter glue down like I did on this side, because it really didn't work, it took me a little bit longer to do. So I'm just take a glitter liner, a silver one, and then put the pigment on top of it. Okay, so for the rest of the lids, I'm going to take another of the BaddieGirl Cosmetics glitters. I don't know the name of this one, but I will put it in the description box. And this chunky glitter is turquoise. It's really cute, okay? And you can also use my code Keke to get some money off. And then I'm also going to mix it in with some turquoise fine glitter that I already had. Okay. And the thing about chunky glitter is, for some reason, I can never really get it to stick on my eye. Like, I have to put down a lot of glitter glue to make it stay. I don't know why. But it turned out cute. It's just a little difficult for me to get on and for it to stay on. And I want to use the e.l.f. glitter glue for this. So I think I would take some of the fine glitter first and put it on there a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with this chunky glitter. Okay, so for my inner corner, I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight palette, and I'm taking the blue highlighter and the white blend. Okay, so for lashes, what I want to do is stack lashes. I've been doing that lately. I've been trying it out and I kind of like it a little bit. So I'm going to take the Koko lashes in the style Queen Bee. Okay. And then I'm going to take my lash in the style Ride or Die and stack them together. They're kind of similar to each other, but it turned out really cute when I did it. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm taking the Artist Couture and Gold Digger, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of Bling Bling, that pigment that I put on my eye, and mix this to my highlight a little bit.
You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh.
Okay, so I guess I like this lip. I'm not sure. I don't know. But I took the NYX Duo Chromatic lip gloss in Booming, and then the usual Colourpop lip gloss in Finesse. Like, I guess I like it. I don't know. I gotta take pictures first and then see.